Today we're going to be taking a look at Airlift's LoadLifter 5000 air helper springs for the front axle. Verify with our fit guide the most appropriate ones to fit your vehicle. And this is what our airbags are going to look like when they're installed. You'll get one for both the driver's side and passenger side. It's going to mount between the frame of your vehicle and your front suspension here on your front axle. Here you can see our suspension with no air helper springs going over various terrains. And now you can see our suspension with our airbags installed, and now you'll notice that it's much more stable. There's not as much oscillation between our suspension and our frame, and overall it's just a smoother ride. These air springs are going to provide you with up to 5,000 pounds of load leveling support. This will reduce strain on your suspension and both improve safety and ride quality. This allows you to level out an uneven load, so if it's tilting to one side or to the front or the rear, you can adjust this with these air helper springs. One of the benefits of having a level ride is that it improves steering and braking performance because it keeps your suspension geometry in correct plane. It's also going to decrease tire wear by making sure that the alignment is correct. This helps keep your tires level and going down the road straight so they don't scrub or rub on the road. You can also use it to help maintain proper headlight aiming, because if you're loaded too far in the rear, the front's going to lift up and your headlights are going to point up towards the sky. If you're loaded too much in the front, it's going to sag down in the front, aiming towards the ground. This way you can maintain that levelness and return those straight and have a nice, safe ride at night. The airbags themselves have Airlift's exclusive upper and lower roll plates. These are constructed of steel and will help increase the load capacity of the air springs, protecting the springs from damage and extending the life of the air spring suspension. The airbags are constructed of 2-ply fabric reinforced rubber, and the end caps are made of a high-strength nylon, which is lighter, stronger, and more corrosion resistant than steel. You can adjust the air pressure between 5 and 100 psi to get the perfect level ride. It comes with all the hardware you'll need to get it installed, including the air lines and fittings. You'll receive 2 manual air valves, so you can adjust both the right and left side. And our customer here has opted to install airbags for both the front and the rear for complete suspension load leveling control. And that completes our look at Airlift's LoadLifter 5000 air helper springs for the front axle.